Hi friends, this video shows how to record a call if auto call recording has been disabled or turned off. First let me go to Samsung phone app. Tap on this app icon. Go to these three dots. Tap on these three dots on top right corner. Go to settings. Tap here. Tap on record calls. Here you can see auto record calls. See, this option has been disabled. So right now in this mobile phone, auto call recording has been disabled. Let me close this. Then again open this Samsung phone app. Then dial one number. Then please wait. Okay, it's connected. Next I will show you how we can start call recording. Here on top right corner you can see three dots. Tap here. Then tap on record calls. Done. See, call recording has been started. This way we can manually start call recording if auto call recording has been disabled. Next I will show you how we can stop this recording. Again tap on these three dots on top right corner. Tap on stop recording. Done. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.